What's going on YouTube? This is Wally right here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make melanzane alla parmigiana. Well, melanzane alla parmigiana means eggplant with parmesan. Come from Italy. It's a very delicious dish. I love to eat eggplant, and if you like this too and you want to know how easy it is to make this dish, stay tuned and watch me. I will show you.
Cause you're part eggplant.
So let's see what we need for this recipe. And we have eggplant, mozzarella, olive oil, chopped tomato, basil, onion, garlic, bread crumble, dry oregano, salt and pepper, and of course parmesan. We have all the ingredients. It's a lot of work, so let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna cut the vegetables. Good to go, the vegetables are ready. Next, I'm gonna grill the eggplant. I'm finished with the eggplant. Next, let's make the tomato sauce. Actually, it's the same process like lasagna. I'm gonna add parmesan now. And then sauce. last step, mozzarella. Next step, I'm gonna bake it in the preheated oven for about 30 minutes at 119 degrees. Well, this is it. Looks perfect. Now I'm gonna try it. Definitely, I'm really happy with this one. It looks super cool. It's also super delicious and it's full of flavor. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.